All right, so what do you think we're looking for? Is it like a turbo pipe or exhaust pipe or something?
Yeah, I think it's a turbo downpipe.
Turbo downpipe. All right, I found it. About 150 bucks. You think we're good?
I think that'll be fine.
All right, and order.
I hope the red car's as fast.
Delivery! What's up, YouTube? FNS back here, Logan and Adam, or as I'm much better known as, Dad. We're back working on the race car, the GTI, and I don't know if we talked about it last time, but the downpipe, totally screwed. We tried to kind of cobble together an exhaust on it so we could get that little bit of extra horsepower because there was no back pressure.
Nothing. It was they literally like sawzalled it off at the end.
You can see on the end here, there's the downpipe, the O2 sensor bung, and then they just basically cut off the flange. So no back pressure whatsoever. Also, it's not supposed to do that. There's a big old hole in it, so we're getting zero back pressure at all. So Logan got under there, took it off, and found
a new downpipe. It's a little performance exhaust. Obviously, it's a little different. I'm kind of scared if it's gonna fit, but it's supposed to fit. It's got the whole 9 yards, and we're just gonna be able to slap it in there and make it sound better.
It's gonna sound better and be loud.
It's gonna be good loud, not loud loud. Good loud.
Good loud. And that little bitty burnout you saw me do last time, gonna be a big burnout next time.
I can't wait. Let's go. Okay, so we made it back. Car is kind of just cooling down because I did a very aggressive burnout when I really shouldn't have. And yeah, so pulled over. He was really cool. I kind of understood that it was a toy car. We just got it working. He was really cool. So nothing really bad happened to that. It was just scary. It was very scary because I was not going the speed limit. I was very not going the speed limit. So I just wanted to give you a little update. Nothing bad happened. He was a really chill cop, very good guy. Gave us actually a place we could actually race it, like the track race it. So that was pretty neat. We actually are about to do plans with that thing. Depending on when this video gets out, if they are in motion or not. But we're having the engine rebuilt. That way we can drive it. Unfortunately, because of time constraints and stuff, we can't rebuild it. So we're having a good Z store do it. And then while that's happening, we'll do some videos about the engine bay and seeing how stuff like that.
So we're getting the downpipe off. We did try to cobble together an exhaust and found out that, and we'll show you this here in a second, the downpipe actually has a big hole in the
Wire mesh.
yeah, the flex pipe part of it. So you ready to, you think you get that off?
Yeah, I think we're good to go.
Sorry about that, I hit the flash thing. So let's see if it'll come off. Okay. Everything's a pain in the ass. Wiggle, and out it comes.
All right, so there's that. We'll do a little better view.
Let's see. That's not gonna work. Wiggle. So we'll show you this, and we're gonna go see if we can find a new one.
All right. So with the old downpipe off, we can actually get a better view of what it was attached to. We just took the old gasket off. I'm gonna clean it up because there's some residue left on there. But yeah, the first one we got it with 3 holes, and obviously there's 4, so that was kind of infuriating. I would return that, get that in there. But so now we're gonna clean this off, slap the old new one on. So.
Woo! We're gonna clean off the flange just a little bit. There's a few rough edges and burrs on it, just to make sure we get a good seal. This is the cat delete part that we're kind of excited about. So gonna clean this up a little bit and get it on the car.
Don't try this at home. This is really dumb, but we gotta do it. Done by trained professionals. Trained professionals.
So this is the struggle bus part of the installation.
Oh, we're filming?
Yep.
Not the new paint.
Look at how pretty that pipe is, nice and chrome.
I know.
Keep track of that O2 bone too, so make sure that it's pointing in the right direction.
Oh, baby.
Did you just get it on there in your
Like
first shot?
Fucking, well, kind of. Shut the fuck up!
He's right.
Okay, but like,
Yep, I know, I see it.
am I hitting something up here? Probably.
Why is it not wanting to go
So
on?
it's not wanting to go all the way on.
Yeah, you may end up having to just use the bolts, the nuts to do that, excuse me.
Maybe.
Down, like, does it go down a little bit?
No, because that needs to go up. It's on there completely now.
Okay. Yeah, I think we can probably get it on there now.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's copyrighted.
Oh yeah.
That's a video game triumphant sound.
That's ours. Copyright. Can't use on permission for the F&F sync.
It's, yeah.
That light does make it so much better.
Oh my god, I bet. I can see clearly now.
That's copyrighted, you can't use that song.
Man, everything's copyrighted these days. We just won't monetize the video.
It's fine.
None of them are monetized yet.
So we'll
I'll be back to you in a minute.
yeah, we'll catch up either when we put the
Cat delete on.
cat delete on. Thank you.
So this is day 2 of getting the new exhaust on. It was a bit of a hassle because they're just shy of where they need to go, and they're the exact same size, so we can't get them like fitting into each other.
I need to move
Also, Ethan's here. So now we need to.
Fuck it.
Now we need. Now we need to get that on there.
It's on.
Like that. And she's done. Walk away.
I actually think we need, no. I think we need a different one.
Why?
I think it's...
Clamp her down.
No.
Well, we have a bunch of them.
Give me the 2 1/4 ID by 2 inch ID. There is one.
Okay. Be right back, guys.
So, a couple more turn-a-loonies on here. And we'll be good to go as far as this goes. And then we'll get the muffler hooked up and on. And then it's gonna sound.
Because right now, it's just dangling. So, we just got the backup. It was kind of just hanging there because we didn't want to, we wanted to finish the front first and work our way back, so.
Worked out.
Yep, so we're just getting it on there.
Last couple of ratchets before we get the, we go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like.
Made some loud noises. I'm so excited for what this is gonna sound like. It's gonna be amazing. We will catch you then.
Got the exhaust finished finally.
It looks real nice, I love it.
Cleaned up those pipes. In case you guys ever need to clean up any chrome or anything like that, the orange sand soap that you can buy for like $1 works really nice on it. So cleaned it up, got all the clamps on, and we're about to start it up and
I can't wait. Start it
see what
up.
it sounds like.
Start it up. Fire it up! Baby.
That sounds nice.
gotta
Now
drive.
let's go get a ticket.
We gotta go drive it. I guess you're gonna have to wait 1 sec. We're gonna go drive.
Yeah, when that came with the blue car, and it just happened to work perfect on here. And when we pulled it out of the box, it had been in a rat's nest, or it had been a rat's nest for a long time. So some of that stuff might have just come flying out. But
Oh yeah. Oh, we're gonna go drive.
let's go drive.
Keep it coming. Okay, so first test drive with the new
exhaust.
Let's go. Good my way.
It's much quieter.
So much better.
There's like the power difference already is noticeable because now it has some back pressure. So we can actually kind of feel the turbo do its thing, even just like at a normal acceleration, you can feel the power. We're gonna feel it here in just a minute once we get on the other side of the main road here. We have a minute.
We'll catch you then.
Run it out about a mile from the shop. It is raining, so we're not gonna go too crazy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, so pulled over.
But I wanted to get away from the shop so we didn't have to worry about there being too many people around in case we had a go fast, fly apart situation. Go fast, fly apart. Will not be using it. So we're at 40 in third gear. Yeah, there's check engine lights and all kinds of shit blinking right now.
See what it can do. Get into gear. Oh my God, that's crazy.
The difference in power now that it has that exhaust on it, even though it's a little bit cobbled together, but it's all good stuff, is much different. The fact that we can have a conversation in the car is a big difference. It's the response and everything. You can actually hear the intake now, so the difference is much improved. So
it's fantastic.
we're gonna turn around and head back to the shop, get a different pilot, see what he thinks.
Definitely. Catch you then.